In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get the latest working Delta executor for Roblox on your PC. So this process is not too difficult and only really takes a few steps. The first thing that you guys have to do is go to the Delta executor website here, and what you guys are going to do is click on Windows over here. If you guys are on Mac, then just click on Mac here, but for this video just click on Windows, and now you guys will essentially see the entire guide here. And there are a few things that we have to do before we can actually download the Delta Executor app. The first thing that we have to do is just go to this website here, moomooplayer.com, and you guys are just going to click on download for Windows here. And now that you guys can see your download here, you guys can just open it up and click on yes. And now it'll say preparing installation environment. Click on install here and just give it some time to install. And once it does install, again, just give it some time here, it will install. And once it does install here, you guys will see your Android device here. So it is running Android 12 with 4 cores and 5 gigabytes here. So what we need to do now is just set it up where it can properly run on your Windows device. So in Moomoo Player here, you guys are just going to click on these 3 dots here. First, making sure that the Android device is in fact closed. Now click on the 3 dots here, click on device settings here. And now we need to just change the performance settings here. So you guys can see performance is on medium right now. Click on custom here, and then under CPU, just do the max amount of CPU here. And for the RAM as well, make sure that it is set to the max over here. And we're setting it like this so that you guys can run Delta Executor without any issues to your computer at all. Now you guys are going to head over to display here, and you guys can choose to change these. It's your choice. It really doesn't matter. But for resolution, I would recommend changing it to what your computer's resolution is. So mine is 1920 by 1080. And then for FPS settings, just set it to whatever refresh rate your monitor is. So my refresh rate is 60 Hertz. So I'll leave it at 60 FPS. And then you guys are going to go to model here, and under device model, just click on this. Click on edit and make sure that it is already set to Samsung. And then for your device model here, just scroll all the way up until you guys see S25 Ultra here. Click on save. And then finally for the GPU model here, you guys are just going to click on high. And now once all of these are set, you guys can just go back and you guys can see that everything is here and your device is powered off. So what we need to do is just go back into the first website that I showed you guys. And then you guys are going to go back and go to Android here, and then click on download now, and then scroll down until you guys see the download here. Just quickly view the ads, and then you guys will see your Delta over here, and make sure that you guys do in fact have an ad blocker. I'm highly recommending that you guys do get the ad blocker, since you can just skip through all of these ads. And as you guys can see, it has in fact downloaded here. So now what we need to do is just go back to Moomoo Player here and start up your Android device. And now that your Android device has started here, you guys are going to click on the 3 dots in the top right here. Go to more tools, click on APK installation, and now just locate the Delta Executor APK that you downloaded before. And once you guys do so, you guys will see that Delta Executor is installing here, and it has now installed. You can click on the Delta Executor app here, and you'll see the Roblox here. Make sure that you guys do allow access to manage files. Click on the back button here. And now all you guys really need to do is just sign in. And then after that, you guys can just search for the game that you wish to exploit and run the script. And that's basically all you have to do. The guide for Mac is a bit different. So if you guys want to see the guide for that, I will be making a video on that shortly. And if you guys want to see more Delta Executor videos, then let me know in the comments down below. And make sure that you guys do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.